Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss another set of MCQs. So let's start. The first one is the hyphae which are not divided into individual cells by septum are option A non-separate hyphae, sinocytic hyphae, multinucleated hyphae, all of the above. Write down your answer. Question 2 is strobili are present in Coelopsida, Saphenopsida, Lycopsida, Pteropsida. Strobili are present in. Question 3. Pleurotus ostratus is an example of obligate parasite, predator, facultative parasite, and lichens. Note your answer. Phospholipids are composed of which of the following? Glycerol, fatty acids, phosphoric acid, all of the above. Dash is the precursor of estrogen and testosterone, steroid hormones. Both are steroid hormones, estrogen and testosterone. Cholesterol, immunoglobulins, phospholipids, albumins. The mode of locomotion in foraminifera is option A flagella, option B pseudopodia, option C cilia, option D none of above. So write down your answer. Which of the following acts as the inhibitor for enzyme succinic dehydrogenase? Succinic acid, malonic acid, fumaric acid, none of the above. During emphysema, there is increased volume of lungs, decreased surface area, larger alveoli. Option D, all of the above. So पहले हम इनके आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. Question 1. The hyphae which are not divided into individual cells by septum are. They are called as non-separate hyphae, sinocytic hyphae, multinucleated hyphae, all of above. 1D, all of above. Strobili are present in Lycopsida. Pleurotus ostratus is an example of predator. It's basically a fungus. Phospholipids are composed of which of the following? Glycerol, fatty acid, phosphoric acid, all of above. So phospholipids are composed of all of above. Option D. Dash is the precursor of estrogen and testosterone. 5A. Cholesterol is the precursor of both. The mode of locomotion in foraminifera is pseudopodia. 6B. Which of the following acts as enzyme for inhibitor for the enzyme succinic dehydrogenase? 7B. Malonic acid, because it has similar structure like succinic acid and it acts as competitive inhibitor. Question number 8. It includes all of the above. As in this disease, there is increased volume of lungs, decreased surface area and larger alveoli. So 8D. Which of the following fungi is not edible? Option A, mushrooms. Option B, morels. Option C, truffles. Option D, toadstools. Which of the following is directly proportional to the oxygen carrying capacity of blood? Option A, pH. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, temperature. And option D, all of the above. Which of the following statement about enzymes is false? Some enzymes need cofactor for proper functioning. They accelerate the chemical reactions. They are all fibrous proteins. They are sensitive to change in pH. How many chromosomes are present in garden pea? 8, 14, 26, 46. Which of the following is incorrect about water molds? Fungi like bacteria. Their hyphae are aseptate. It means synocytic hyphae. Their cell walls are made up of chitin. Sporangia are the reproductive structures. Phytophthora infestans is an example of water molds. Change in pH causes changes in ionization of amino acids at active sites, ionization of substrates, bonds in enzymes, all of the above. Which of the following is not a function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Storage of vital chemicals, maintenance of cell shape, transmission of impulses, lipid synthesis. You have to pinpoint which is not a function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Diaphragm is a sheet of smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles, all of the above. So, diaphragm is made up of which type of muscles? You have to choose the correct option. So, let's move towards their answers. Question number 9. Which of the following fungi is not edible? Option D. 9D. Which of the following is directly proportional to the oxygen carrying capacity of blood? 10A. pH is directly proportional, while carbon dioxide and temperature are inversely proportional. Which of the following statement about enzymes is false? Option C. 11C. Enzymes are globular proteins, not fibrous proteins. How many chromosomes are present in garden pea? There are only 14 chromosomes present in garden pea. Which of the following is incorrect about water molds? Option B. Their cell walls are made up of chitin. No. Their cell walls are made up of cellulose. Changes in pH causes changes in ionization of amino acids at active site, ionization of substrates, bonds in enzymes, all of the above. 14D. Which of the following is not a function of endoplasmic reticulum? Option A. Storage of vital chemicals is not the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Diaphragm is a sheet of skeletal muscles. Next question is, nematocysts are stinging cells present in option A. amoeba, hydra, option C. planaria, option D. cockroach. So you have to find out in which animal nematocysts are present. The rate of photosynthesis may equal to respiration rate at what times? Option A. dawn, option B. dusk, option C. noon, option D. both A and B. Glycosomes are site for the breakdown of fatty acid to succinate, succinate to fatty acid, hydrogen peroxide to oxidase and catalases, both A and B. Distribution of organisms in space can be studied through biome, zoogeography, community, social biology. Protection and nourishment of sperms is provided by fluid secreted by Sertoli cells, fluid in scrotum, interstitial fluid, all of the above. The combination of pentose sugar with a base, nucleotide, nuclei, nucleoside, polynucleotide. Cytoplasmic strands that extend through pores in adjacent cell walls, plasmodesmata, pili, extensions, pseudopodia. So now we are going to discuss their answers. Nematocysts are stinging cells present in amoeba, hydra, planaria, cockroach. Basically, nematocysts are present in cnidarians. So hydra, option B. Rate of photosynthesis may equal to respiration rate at what time? dawn and dusk, as well as at the noon. So you have to pinpoint the answer. 18 D, because it's equal only dawn and dusk. It is also called as compensation point. Gloxysomes are sites for the breakdown of fatty acid to succinate. Option A. The distribution of organisms in space can be studied through biomes. Protection and nourishment to sperm is provided by fluid secreted by Sertoli cells. Option A. 22. The combination of pentose sugar with a base is called as nucleoside. Cytoplasmic strands that extend through pores in adjacent cell walls are plasmodesmata. 23A. So the next question is, the organisms able to use sunlight directly as a source of energy are autotrophs, herbivores, heterotrophs, fungi. Number of microtubules in centrioles: 3, 9, 12, 27. Reabsorption of calcium is triggered by aldosterone, parathermone, antidiuretic, vasopressin. Reabsorption of calcium. Pressure flow theory was proposed by Dickson, Mohl, Munch, Darwin. Universal donor blood group has no antibodies, no antigens, only Rh antigens, A and B antigens, but Rh antibodies. Saliva is produced by parotid gland, submandibular glands, sublingual gland, all of the above. Darwin and Lamarck agreed upon organisms change to work and work better in their environment. Organisms have evolved over time and are still evolving. Individual structures of an organism decrease in size by disuse and increase in size when used. Both A and B. Option E, all of the above. So आपने आंसर जो है वो अपने लिख लिए होंगे. Now आप अपने आंसर्स मैच कर लें. 24. The organisms which able to use sunlight directly as a source of energy are autotrophs. So 24A. 25. Number of microtubules in centrioles. Basically microtubules have 9 triplet. Centriole has 9 triplet microtubules. So 9 3 times 27. 25D. Reabsorption of calcium is triggered by parathermone. 26B. 27. Pressure flow theory was proposed by Munch. 27C. Universal donor blood group has no antigens. 28B. Saliva is produced by parotid gland, submandibular gland, sublingual gland, all of the above. So saliva is produced by all of the above. Darwin and Lamarck agreed upon organisms change to work and work better in their environment. Organisms have evolved over time, are still evolving. Individual structures of an organism decrease in size by disuse and increase in size when used. Both A and B. So 30D. Dash is responsible for displacing the set point of hypothalamus above 37. Option A. Pyrinins, pyridoxins, pyrogens, all of the above. Genes that affect growth rate in human, influencing both weight and height. The phenomena is called as dominance, pleiotropy, epistasis, polygene. Coordination system to maintain homeostasis include endocrine glands and exocrine glands, kidney and endocrine glands, receptors and effectors, brain and endocrine glands. Daily urine output of man is 1 to 2 liter, 1 to 3 liter, 1 to 4 liters, 1 to 5 liters. How many genes control Rh blood group system? 1, 2, 3, 4. Red flower is a dominant trait, whereas white flower is a recessive trait. But in F2 generation, a pink colored flower was obtained. Which phenomena explains this? Law of independent assortment, law of segregation, incomplete dominance, test cross. Broken fragment of mycelium give rise to a new mycelium. This process is known as fragmentation, budding, through conidia, through spores. अब इनके आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. Dash is responsible for displacing the set point. Pyrogens. 31C. Genes that affect growth rate as well as weight and height. This phenomena is called pleiotropy. Coordination system to maintain homeostasis include brain and endocrine glands. Daily urine output of man is 1 to 2 liters. Option A. How many genes control Rh blood group system? 3 genes. 35C. 36. Red flower is dominant trait, while white flower is recessive trait. F2 generation pink color was obtained. This phenomena is incomplete dominance. 36C. Broken fragment of mycelium give rise to new mycelium. This process is called fragmentation. 37A. Tissue culture doesn't involve use of meristem, growth of tissue in artificial media, use of generative nucleus in pollen culture, asexual propagation. Tissue culture doesn't involve. Choose the answer that you think is right. Severe anemia along with physical retardation is caused by Encyclostoma ascaris, Enterobius, Tinea solium. Itching of anus is caused by Encyclostoma ascaris, Enterobius, Tinea solium. The outer membrane of the nuclear envelope is at place continuous with the nuclear envelope, outer membrane is continuous with Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysozymes, peroxisomes. Patients lack a gene for the transmembrane carrier of the chloride ion in cystic fibrosis, cystic hygroma, AIDS, hypertension. Isoprenoid units give rise to compounds such as rubbers, carotenoids, steroids, and terpenes through hydrogenation, condensation, hydrolysis, addition. Water along with dissolved minerals travels from root to all the way to the leaves. This is called ascent of sap, transpiration pull, coherent tension, root pressure. So now move towards their answers. 38C. Tissue culture doesn't involve use of generative nucleus. 39. Severe anemia is caused by Encyclostoma, that's also known as hookworm. Itching of anus is caused by Enterobius vermicularis, यानी कि pinworm. 40C. 41. The outer membrane of nuclear envelope is continuous with endoplasmic reticulum. 41B. Patients lack a gene for the transmembrane carrier of the chloride ion in cystic fibrosis. 41A. Isoprenoid units give rise to compounds such as rubber, carotenoid, steroid, and terpenes through condensation. 43B. Water along with dissolved minerals travels from roots to all the way to the leaves. This is called transpiration pull. 44b.